Hey, this is David Charney from eLearning Locker. I wanted to give you a quick trick to make the next or continue button flash when the timeline is complete. This acts as both a notifier that the slide or audio is complete, as well as a nice way to drive the learner on to the next slide. So here's a real quick example. I'll run this. You can see the timeline moving, and when the timeline gets done, and there we go, magic. I can click continue and it'll move on. So to build this, what we need to do is first we need custom buttons. So we've turned off the buttons from the base, next and previous, and we've got our own buttons here, previous and continue. We've built these buttons pretty easily by creating a box, putting some text in it, and then within insert, shape, this L shape, we were able to create the little arrow that you see there. Okay, now that we've got the continue button, let's rig this up so that it will blink when it gets to the end of the timeline. If you use an open navigation, which we do tend to prefer, it's usually much nicer for the user to be able to not have to wait to be able to move on at their own speed. We have a trigger on this button to lead the user on to the next screen, so that's pretty straightforward. To cause the blink to occur, we create a layer, which we have here called blink continue, and within this layer we have the same button where we've changed the background color to this green, or whatever color fits your branding, and then within this 1.5 seconds within animations, you can see that, click on the button there, I've got it in a group, you can see that it fades in and fades out. And then we've got a couple of triggers. We've got a hide layer, this layer, when the timeline ends, and we've got a show layer, blink continue, which is the layer I'm currently on, when the timeline ends. So what it'll do is it will shut down this layer, or it will hide it, and then it will show the layer again, creating an infinite loop. Then we need to go back to the base, and we need to add one more trigger where we show the layer blink continue when the timeline ends. And I'll run it one more time. And there we go. From there, it's really easy to set this layer up however you want. We can set it up to end when the timeline ends, or I'm sorry, to start when the timeline ends, or after a knowledge check is complete. You really have a lot of control over when this continue button, or when this layer will be shown. So again, my name is David Charney from eLearning Locker. You can find templates, assets, everything eLearning on eLearning Locker, and it's all there to supercharge your online training courses. Thanks a lot.